When your equipment depends on a high-performance engine, reliability isn't just a nice-to-have, it's absolutely critical. That's why genuine Kawasaki replacement parts are designed to protect your engine's performance, efficiency, and lifespan. These components fit most FH series engines, including models like the 751 volts, 801 volts, 850 volts, 921 volts, and T00V, ensuring an exact match and smooth operation without the risks that come with generic parts. Kawasaki engines are built with tight tolerances, and every genuine replacement part is crafted with the same precision and care as the original factory components. There's no complicated assembly involved, so installation is quick and hassle-free, cutting downtime and keeping your equipment ready to go. Choosing genuine parts means you're preserving your engine's integrity, helping it run smoothly, perform steadily, and last longer, even under tough working conditions. Many people assume any oil, filter, or engine part will do the job, but Kawasaki knows that premium engines demand parts engineered to exact standards. Each genuine component undergoes rigorous testing to meet Kawasaki's strict requirements for fit, function, and reliability. This attention to detail reduces wear and tear, supports proper airflow, and prevents the common problems caused by mismatched or ill-fitting parts. Real users often share how genuine Kawasaki parts solved persistent issues that aftermarket replacements couldn't fix. For example, owners of Gravely mowers report restoring proper function after repeated service attempts with incorrect parts. Once you confirm compatibility, many installations can be handled confidently by the owner, saving both time and costly service visits. Investing in genuine Kawasaki replacement parts means investing in your engine's future. You get peace of mind knowing the part was designed to work seamlessly with your equipment, backed by decades of engineering expertise. If that's you, check the product link in the video description to confirm compatibility and availability. Try it when you're ready, and subscribe to the channel to find more trusted parts and maintenance tips that keep your gear running strong season after season.